Unveiling Your Other Self, Understanding Alter Ego. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an intriguing English phrase, alter ego. Often heard in conversations, movies, and books, this term has a fascinating meaning and usage. Let's explore what alter ego really means and how you can use it in your daily English conversations. The phrase, alter ego, is derived from Latin, where alter means other, and ego means self. So, it literally translates to other self. This term is used to describe a second identity or personality that's different from a person's original or typical personality. Imagine you are usually quiet and reserved, but on stage, you become bold and outgoing. In this context, your stage persona could be considered your alter ego. Alter egos are often seen in movies, books, and comic books. A classic example is Superman. By day, he is Clark Kent, a mild-mannered reporter, but by night, he becomes Superman, his alter ego, who is a bold and powerful superhero. Another example is the famous singer Beyoncé, who has referred to her stage persona as Sasha Fierce, a more confident and assertive version of herself. These examples show how an alter ego can represent qualities and aspects that are not usually displayed in one's regular life. Let's look at some examples to understand how to use alter ego in everyday conversation. 1. When she's on stage, her alter ego takes over, and she becomes a completely different person. 2. He writes his novels under an alter ego because he wants to keep his identity a secret. 3. My shy friend surprised everyone when her alter ego emerged at the party, full of wit and charisma. These sentences demonstrate how the term can be used to describe someone's different personality or identity in various situations. I hope this video helps you understand the intriguing concept of an alter ego. It's a fascinating part of the English language that captures the complexity of human identity and personality. Remember, we all might have an alter ego, just waiting for the right moment to shine. Keep exploring English, and don't forget to express all parts of your personality. Until next time, happy learning!